Fly Babies. Good morning, Cats, Lions. We still haven't decided what that's going to stand for, L-I-O-N-S, but I've gotten some great suggestions. Continue to give me those suggestions. I'm going to put them out for you guys to decide once I get enough. All right, so keep bringing them in. I am here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today we're talking about Tuesday. Tuesday is your free day. Please take advantage of that. If you are an at-home fly baby or a payroll fly baby, you still are going to have Tuesday consistently as a free day. That means that you're free from doing your basic weekly plan. And I always say you're free from doing your zone. Now, originally FlyLady doesn't say that, but that's my interpretation because I feel like it's a free day. So even if you're working, if you're doing a full 15 minutes of zone on Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, you don't have to do anything on Tuesday. I know in the past I've told you you have to, but I rethought that because if you're doing 15 minutes, why? If you're not doing 15 minutes, if you're doing 5 or 10 minutes, then you're going to probably have to do something on your free day. All right. And you won't be free from the basic weekly home blessing hour if you're splitting it into 10-minute segments 6 days a week. No one will, home or business. So that's the little deviation. All right, so today is free day. So you're going to get up in the morning and you're going to do your routines. After you do your personal routine, you're going to put your family through their routines. If you have animals and pets that you have to take care of, now's the time to do that. Once everybody has been fed, all the bathroom is tidy and everybody's taking care of everything they need to in there, everyone's bed is made at whatever level they're currently able to make it. Don't redo it unless their realtor's coming. Let them be proud of their work. And then come on to the breakfast table. Everybody's had breakfast, everybody's off to school, or if you're homeschooling, everybody's ready. Okay, this is going to set you up for the day. You're going to feel better because you're going to be dressed, you're going to have a little makeup on, your hair's going to be done, you're going to have a little jewelry on, maybe a little perfume. You're going to feel better about yourself. You are going to be the CEO today and every day of your home. All right, for those of you who are working, when you go to work today, on your break, well, first of all, you know the spiel. You're going to go to work. Enjoy your drive in. You're not going to be putting on your mascara at the red lights. When you get to work, people are going to think, how does she do it? You're going to say hello to your friends, coworkers, and employees. You're going to get some coffee, some water, go to your desk, which is clean from the night before because you're following your control journal for work. If you don't have one, please go to my playlist, Control Journals, and find the one for work. Make yourself a control journal. It'll be the best gift for yourself that you've done relating to work in a long time. It really will. All right, next you're going to do your work, right? And then when you get to your break, you're going to think about what you need to do at home. So today is Tuesday, it's a free day, but yesterday was weekly home blessing hour. How did that go? Do you have to do some of that when you get home? Can you delegate 10 minutes of that away? That will be awesome. The next thing you're going to think about is the zone we're in, where we are in zone 3, the bathroom and one other room. So is there anything you can delegate there? Have you picked the room that's your other room? And then that's a 15-minute process or less if there's no clutter in that room. And then so when you get home today, when you first get in, put in some laundry, go through your paper unless you're done and you don't have any more paper clutter, go to the kitchen, start your supper. When supper is simmering on the stove, in the oven, in the crock pot, in the whatever it's in, on holding in your pressure cooker, in your whatever we call those nowadays, instant pot, whatever it's holding on, it can hold. And you can do your basic weekly home blessing hour, if that's what you need to do, not the whole hour, just do a little 10-minute thing, and or 10 to 15 minutes in your zone. And then when you're done, serve supper, then everyone comes together, at home and payroll. And we all know that in our hearts, everyone is doing the same thing right there along with you. We're getting our children involved and we're getting that kitchen clean together. And once that's done, then it's before bed routines. Finish the laundry. You're going to have to fold that if you put it in the dryer already. If not, get it in the dryer because it's got to be dried and you've got to fold it. If you don't fold it and put it away, you haven't done the laundry today. Fold it, and if you're exhausted, do your before bed routine before the kids. If you're not exhausted, put the kids through their morning routine, their before bed routine. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous free day. If you are taking your free day, if you're at home, do something for yourself. Pamper yourself today. It doesn't have to be expensive, but maybe on your free day you might choose to polish your nails or take a nice walk or read a book, whatever. Not a whole book, maybe just a chapter. If you are at work and you somehow want to incorporate that in, please do so. All right, that's it for today. Have a fabulous day, and always remember that you are beautiful.